Hi everyone, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with PrivCo. In this short video, we'll go over how to access PrivCo and create an account, what kind of information is available, and how to complete a search. Let's get started. Visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, click on the List of Business Databases link. This link will take you to the library's A to Z list of databases filtered by business, finance, and economics. You'll find PrivCo on this list. PrivCo is a premier source for business and financial data on over 300,000 major non-publicly traded corporations, including family-owned, private equity-owned, venture-backed, and international unlisted companies. First-time users will need to create an account to access PrivCo. To create an account, click on the Create an Account link from the PrivCo sign-in page. Then complete the sign-up form using your purdue.edu email address. Returning users should sign in using their PrivCo account login information. Once you've signed in, you should see the PrivCo Dashboard. From here, you can do a quick search using the search field at the top of the page, view the top funded companies for the week, access the latest reports, and look at recent M&A deals. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the navigation menu where you can set up an advanced search, view watch lists, access Knowledge Bank, PrivCo's Financial Terms Dictionary, search PrivCo's Financial Insights newsletter, The Daily Stack, and return to the dashboard. Let's do a quick company search by typing Bechtel into the search box at the top of the page. You'll notice that PrivCo offers suggestions as you type. We'll select Bechtel Corporation from the list. This is the company profile for Bechtel, a private company that specializes in engineering, procurement, construction, and project management. The Overview tab provides a brief description of the company, as well as contact information, subsidiaries, and tracked revenue. This tab also includes industry information and keywords linked to similar search results. For example, clicking on construction will open up a list of other companies in the same industry, and clicking on family-owned will pull up a list of other family-owned companies. You can navigate to other areas of the profile using the tabs near the top of the page. The Financials tab includes key company financials such as income statement and revenue. You may also find funding and deals information under the respective tabs when available. The Signals tab will provide the PrivCo Growth Score, which compares the company's revenue and investment data to similar companies in the industry. To download this information, click on the Actions menu at the top of the page and select Download PDF. From this menu, you can also add this company to your watch list, which we'll talk more about in just a moment. Now let's take a brief look at the advanced search options by clicking on the magnifying glass icon on the left side of the screen. The advanced search page allows you to search for companies, investors, fundings, or deals using the tabs at the top of the page. Clicking on the Filters button opens the Options menu, which you can use to narrow your search. For example, we can limit our list of companies by location, keyword, industry, or ownership type. Let's limit by industry and select apparel, footwear, and accessories from the options under Consumer Durables. We'll also limit by ownership type and look for only private equity-backed companies. Then click Search. This is the results page. At the top, you'll see the filters we've set for this search, followed by the list of companies that match our search criteria. We can sort this list by clicking on the table headers. For example, let's sort by latest revenue and select the top 3 results that include the keyword apparel. At the bottom of the page, we have the option to add these companies to a watch list or export the results to Excel. Let's choose Add to Watch List. From here, we can add these results to an existing watch list if we have one set up, or set up a new one by clicking on Add New. To view your watch list, click on the Watch List menu on the left side of the screen. From here, we can quickly access the companies from our search. Now you know how to access PrivCo and how to create an account, what kind of information is available, and how to complete a search. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.